guys, it's R.V.C. here, and I'm back again with another video. So today, we're taking a look at the Colmi P86, and honestly, this is one of those budget smartwatches that actually gets a lot of things right. Now, I've been using this watch for a while, and I want to give you guys my real experience with it. The good, the bad, and whether it's actually worth buying. First of all, let's talk about the design. The Colmi P86 has a pretty clean and modern look. It kind of gives off that premium smartwatch vibe without actually costing premium smartwatch money. The display is bright enough for outdoor use, and the watch itself feels comfortable on the wrist, even after wearing it for long periods. One thing I noticed is that it's lightweight, which is actually a good thing, because some smartwatches can feel bulky after a few hours.
Now, moving on to the battery life. Battery life here is actually okay. For my usage, I was getting roughly around 5 days on a single charge, and that's with notifications, health tracking, and normal day-to-day usage turned on. Of course, if you use heavier features constantly, you might get a little less, but for most people, 5 days is realistic. And honestly, not charging your watch every single night is a huge plus. Now let's talk about health tracking, because this is where budget watches usually struggle. But surprisingly, the sleep tracking on the Colmi P86 is actually pretty accurate. It was able to track my sleeping patterns fairly well, including deep sleep and light sleep.
The general health tracking is also decent. Heart rate tracking works well most of the time, step counting feels accurate enough for everyday use, and overall it performs better than I expected at this price range. Now, obviously, don't expect medical-grade accuracy, but for fitness and everyday monitoring, it does the job. One feature that really stood out to me is the Muslim prayer support. The prayer alerts are actually very useful, because even when the watch is not connected to the phone, it still continues giving prayer notifications, which is something I know a lot of people will appreciate. That makes it reliable, especially when you don't always want your phone around. And another nice touch is the digital prayer beads feature.
But there is one small issue. The prayer beads counter does not reset automatically. So unless you manually reset the watch or the counter itself, it just keeps counting. Not a deal breaker, but definitely something worth mentioning. Now, for notifications, the watch handles them pretty well. You can see calls, messages, and app notifications directly from the watch. It's useful for quickly checking alerts without pulling out your phone every single time. But keep in mind, this is more of a companion smartwatch. So don't expect crazy app support or flagship-level smoothness like an Apple Watch Series 10 or a Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. For the price, though, it performs surprisingly well. The UI is simple and easy to navigate, workouts are there for basic fitness tracking, and the watch overall feels beginner-friendly.
Now, are there downsides? Yes. Sometimes the animations are not the smoothest, and depending on the phone you use, Bluetooth connection can occasionally take a second to reconnect. Also, the speaker and microphone quality, if you use Bluetooth calling, are just okay. Not amazing, but usable. So overall, do I think the Colmi P86 is worth it? Honestly, yes, especially if you want an affordable smartwatch with decent battery life, accurate enough health tracking, and useful features like offline prayer reminders. It's not trying to compete with flagship smartwatches, but for the price category it sits in, it actually delivers a pretty solid experience. If you're someone looking for a budget smartwatch mainly for notifications, fitness tracking, sleep monitoring, and daily convenience, then the Colmi P86 is definitely worth considering. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye!